Hey, to get iPhone theme on your Redmi 13, all you have to do is just to go into the Google Play Store, then click on the search, and we are going to install the iOS launcher. There we go. So currently there's the iOS 18, and I can recommend you to get, for example, this application from the apps Gen Z. So click on the install, and now you just have to wait a little bit until this download will be finished. Now we can open it. Just wait for the loading screen, and then click consent. Now we get this ad, so we can mute it by clicking here on the speaker and then close on the left upper corner and click X. Now we can pick the language, so in my case I'm gonna stay with the English, click done. Now we have to slide, click start. Now we get another ad, so we can just simply get rid of it, mute it and wait for the X until we will be able to turn it off. Now as you can see, we can close this ad. There we go. And now just wait for this applying process. It's set up our lock screen, our theme. Now click here. We can click to set as default, or you can also do this later, you can decide. And as you can see, here it is. Now we got the iOS 18 launcher on the Redmi 13, and that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.